Most expats with a low budget travel to Southeast Asia because of its affordable prices. But how cheap is it really? So in this video, I'm going to try and spend $100 here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam by paying for my accommodation, looking for a cafe where I can work, going out to eat multiple times, doing some shopping, going to the gym, and going out and exploring Ho Chi Minh's nightlife with a friend. Our first expense will be accommodation. I was staying at a Capsule Hotel in the city center for 286,000 dong a night. Okay, we're in the Capsule now. It's really interesting. They give you a room key and you put it in there like a normal hotel, and it has everything, dude. And the bed, it's really comfortable actually. And you know what? 2 people can even fit in here. It's very spacious. You have different types of buttons and options to customize your capsule as you please. You have a TV, and I really like the lights in here. It was pretty comfortable, but only for a night or two because the hotel was on top of a bar and you had to go through the bar to get to your accommodation. So it was a bit inconvenient. And to start my day as a digital nomad, I had to find a place to work. So I headed to one of Vietnam's most common cafes, Highland Coffee. There's a Highland Coffee in almost every corner here in Ho Chi Minh. It's so convenient. And if I have to go get some job done, I'll go to the nearest Highland. And it's always comfortable, chairs are nice. Okay, we're gonna get iced coffee with condensed milk, 35,000. Thank you, bro. I gotta say, I usually only have the espresso americano, but today I decided to have the condensed milk coffee, and my goodness, this thing is next level. I did not expect it to be so delicious. So the other day I was walking through Central Market here in Ho Chi Minh and I saw some bomb-ass Air Force Ones. They're most likely fake, but let's go find out how much they cost. This is the place, Central Market. I actually bought some shirts and some shorts here. Really decent price. Look at all these. Damn, son. I want to buy these. Oh, they're $680. What's the best price? Come on, give me a better price.
Yeah, this one is 680.
Yeah?
This come off for just 600.
600?
Yeah.
Okay.
Same dry already.
Look at this, dude. They're clean, huh? Alright guys, these are it. They're pretty clean, huh? And they feel really comfortable, so where can you get some sick ass Air Forces for 600,000? Oh. So inside these markets, there's a food court with any type of food you could think of. I always come here and I get these fried noodles that come with pork, or you can get it with duck or seafood. It's fantastic and it's only 80,000. So this is the place, it's called Cholon. Seriously, this is one of the best meals I've had here in Vietnam. 80,000 for a plate of heaven. After I had my meal, I ordered a scooter taxi on Grab that would take me to my next location. This was only 15,000 dong. Okay, so I came to the Ben Thanh Markets here in Ho Chi Minh. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping. I've been wanting to buy myself a little earring, which I already did. Cost me 150,000. So I love colorful socks, right? So we're gonna get this one, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of socks for 250, right?
215.
215, okay. So all these socks for 215,000. After exploring Ben Thanh Markets for a little bit, I had to go back home and get some laundry done. I got another scooter taxi that took me back home for another 15,000 dong.
It's 70,000.
70,000? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. I'll be back tomorrow. Or no, maybe I'll come check. It's okay. No rush, no rush.
Because we need off for 3 hours.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
Again?
It's okay. Don't worry, don't worry. I live just here anyway, so
yeah.
It's okay. Okay, thank you. While I waited for my laundry to be done, I went to hit the gym and get a little pump before I headed out tonight for some drinks in Bouvian Street. The gym I went to was the TRANG gym. It was only 50K for 1 day entry. And don't judge me, but after my workout, I was hungry and headed to... We're gonna get a full My Burger, which is kind of like, I guess, a burger that tastes like full for 59,000. So the crazy thing, they have a deal today here at Burger King that if you get one burger, you get another burger for free. So I got 2 burgers and a Coke for 78,000. The burger. I then decided to get some snacks at one of Vietnam's most known and common convenience stores, Mini Stop. A Coke, a tea, and some onion rings, 29,000. Our next purchase are some fruits. So literally a 10-second walk from where I live, there's this little cart that has all these type of fruits, avocados, some vegetables, and they also sell juice. This is what I got. Some grapes, apples, bananas, and 2 avocados. Everything was $135 in total. I think you could probably find something cheaper, but just the convenience of it being so close to where you live, you will never go wrong with eating healthy here in Ho Chi Minh. I then headed to Bouvian Street with a friend to smoke some hookah and have a few drinks. In total, the hookah for 2 people was 150,000, and then we had 2 beers, each one was 35,000, and a cider for 45,000. So in total, drinks were 110,000. So we just got a cab, 50,000, with my man here. He's gonna take me home. What a good guy, what a good guy. One of the best things that I like about Ho Chi Minh is that you can get food at whatever time. Like right now, it's about to be 10:30 and I just got some food order right to my door. Usually in other places, things close by 10 p.m. I paid 150,000, that comes with the Coke, some pre-nachos that has meat on top, cheese, jalapenos, it's actually really nice, and a fajita quesadilla. So after all that, all I had left was $2.08. Let me know in the comments, do you guys think I spent my money wisely? And for my next videos, because I really enjoy making this video, should I spend more money? Or maybe I should do the opposite, spend less, because sincerely, I rarely spend $100 on a day. If it's a lot, it's maybe 30, max 40, but normally it's only about $10, $15. It's really hard to spend money here, especially if you eat at the cheap places. So give me a big thumbs up if you found this video to be entertaining or of value. That way I can understand what you guys like and I can make more of this type of content. In the meantime, I'll leave this video here where I explain to you how is life in Vietnam as an expat. Until next time, Christian Rodriguez, bye.